Dave Chaffee versus Gabor Bota Duquet. The simple result is Dave dominated 4-0. And I think the expectations now are about a Denis Siplenkov match. That's what we are going to see next year, but probably a separate video is needed for that. So let's discuss how the match went. If you cannot top roll Dave Chaffee, if you think it's out of the option, like first round, Gabor got completely turned palm up, his wrist got taken by Dave. At that moment, he should have realized that I need to hook Dave. We have seen in the past that guys try to top roll, doesn't work, then they hook Dave and it starts working. But Gabor, for some reason, tried to top roll again and again. He was losing 3-0. Then in the fourth round, he tried to hook. The match got stopped from 1 second in the previous rounds to 2 seconds this time. Small success, but that's what he needed to do in the second and third round too. And then maybe he could have tried that. As I was just saying, if you have never top rolled Dave, you should, if you have never hooked in your life, you should still try to hook Dave Chaffee at this moment. It's quite clear. So Dave Chaffee 4-0. He said he wants to work his way to the top. I'm not sure if going to the top is going to be possible for Dave. I think top seems to be way too far ahead of him. But that's what he's going to try, and Denis Siplenkov can be next. Let's discuss the result of other matches that have happened so far. Kevin Palko lost to Joseph Meranto 4-1. It was a good hook battle. Paul Lin lost to Krasimir Kostadinov 4-0. Krasi seemed comfortable. That was a little bit surprising with how much ease Krasi won this match despite all of the rounds being long. Corey West versus Tobias Sporong was good war. Tobias Sporong was able to win that match 4-2. Corey seemed to be close. There was one round in the straps where Corey had to give it his all. He almost had to switch to a flop press too. He won that round. But despite losing 15-20 kilos of weight, that's all the gas that Corey had. He spent all of that in that round and lost the next two with flash pins. So it was an endurance issue, not so much of a strength issue for Corey as I expected it to be. So the result was 4-2 Tobias Sporong in that left arm match. Matt Mask versus Marcio Barboza. Nobody asked for this match. Not even these guys. Not sure why it happened. Complete mismatch. Matt won 5-1. He just gave one round to Marcio Barboza intentionally. Lachlan Adair versus Lars Rohrbachen. Great, amazing match. Good energy. Top roll from Lars. Flop press from Lars. Kept on switching it throughout the match. But still, it wasn't enough. Lachlan was too aggressive. Lachlan was too strong. The match was kind of close. It looked like it could have gone either way. But Lachlan did not make a mistake in that match except for a few elbow fouls. Still ended up winning it 4-1, I think. Then Dave versus Gabor, we've already discussed. Rustam Babayev destroyed Sandris Sedis. I wouldn't be surprised if he just won, but the way he won, how easily he won in a hook, man, it wasn't close. 4-0. You need to watch the dominance of that veteran of the sport of arm wrestling. That's it so far. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe.